as much as Kashmir is the most beautiful in terms of natural beauty, the people, the culture, and Kashmiri handcraft products are also beautiful here. While you are walking, enjoy the beautiful scenery of Kutton Waterfall. You will see a van standing next to the Kutton Waterfall, in which the beauty of Kashmir is available, like Kashmiri cap, khuse means Kashmiri shoes, famous Kashmiri shawls, dresses, along with children clothes, and many other Kashmiri items culturally found here. Well, as Kashmir is famous for its beauty, then no better place I could find for shopping, where I was able to get best quality items for which Kashmir is famous amidst the nature lab. I am talking about Rehmani collection outlet bank opposite Kutton Waterfall. The fine art of handwork emerged in wide range of different products, from woolen to silk to pashmina shawl, dress material, paper marque, and many more. Quality of products at its best, and the value addition was as always. And the most important, the value of money, in which your pricing was equally market competitive or sometimes even better. Seeing such beautiful things, I couldn't stop myself and brought the shawls, khuse, Kashmiri cap, and jewelry, because you will not find original Kashmiri products quality and price-wise all over Pakistan except Rehmani collection.
जी, आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम काशिफ कुरेशी है।
ठीक है।
मैं रिहायशी कुटन का रहने वाला हूँ और मेरी ये दुकान की लोकेशन जो है कुटन वाटरफॉल के पास, उसी के साथ ही है।
वाटर पार्क के साथ ही है। ठीक है, वाटरफॉल के साथ है। ठीक है,
वाटरफॉल के पास ही है। मेरी 8-9 ब्रांचेस हैं। यहाँ पे हमने स्टॉल लगाए हुए हैं। केरन, मुकाम, ये इधर सब हमारी ब्रांचें हैं।
मरी गए। ठीक है।
Whenever you come to Kutton Waterfall, you must buy Kashmiri items from Rehmani collection, and you will also get special discount on using Kiran Instaface promo code. By contacting Kashif Qureshi, you can also order these beautiful items by courier at your doorstep. For more information, you can contact Kashif on the giving number. I should suggest all the people who are planning to visit this heaven, it's must to knock on to Rehmani collection.